Assalamualaikum. I am Yasin Mehman. You are watching my YouTube channel Webiaz. Today we can talking about the consumer price, gas price, ECC regarding the gas price below the day tomorrow. Summary of increasing the consumer gas price was approved. After which today the federal cabinet will finally approve. Which later will they fully implement these price and special things about this gas price summary is that this time the residential consumer tariff mainly being targeted while the previous bar of commercial and industrial user increase of this summary 2023 both protected and non-protected residential consumer whose their price range from 40% consumer part of this it is being increased 200%. Fixed price which is last till November 2023 were implemented in are still maintained range rupees 400 unit price to 200 unit price fertilizer sector is another sector. Another price which is affected by the gas price, highly gas price increase from 580 rupees to 760 rupees. And if we talk about the fuel gas price, which is increased from 1580 rupees to 750 hike have been covered. What is expected to happen is the domestic fertilizer sector on urea will increase the price their gross profitably can maintain overall. Gas price hike was necessary due to which is consumer, sell price and gas revenue distribution companies. The requirements expected are that will become too neck and due to which gas future leakage of circular debt also expected may slow down, but their gas price hike the residential user due to this inflation can increase of coming days. This was our prospectively recently approved.